I'm supposed to be a better parent. Okay, I give them baton, it don't work. So do I give them more baton?
More.
Okay, Kobe, I'm successful 1, 2, 3 times, but I cannot keep giving them baton. I'm not trying to go to jail, Kobe. This is a 2018 now. They got the cellular. They can call the purpose on me. I'm not trying to go to jail, Kobe. So, this is not making sense. You need to make a sense of what you need me to do, Kobe. Helping me, please, to be better father, to be strong guy.
More successful.
Kobe, I understand you want me to be more successful. Okay, in the baton. Okay, Kobe, one more question. Okay, I'm breaking a lot of work in my family for baton, to breaking them in 2 pieces and put them in my pocket, Kobe. So, what you want me to do about that? Because now I'm at the top, I'm already breaking them. They're good children, they go to school, everything, bringing A's. But sometimes they're hard. I don't work. I need to do something more, Kobe. Help me, please.
More records.
Kobe, but I'm the best. I give the best baton. When my sister need me to discipline the kid, she calling me because you sitting on, a fret, a sapat, my hand, my head, whatever I can find. Baton, I use it, Kobe. Kobe, this ain't making sense. You're not making sense, Kobe.
Are you a different animal and the same beast?
What? Kobe, you okay, man? You smoking the marijuana? You taking the crack, man? If I'm the animal, the beast, I'm the best. I'm the big dog. I'm the cabrit. I'm the goat. This is the beast. Oh, Kobe, this ain't making sense. Kobe, manakakasa.
You're welcome.
Kobe, where you going then? Why you tell me you welcome? Because you're nothing, man. I feel the same.